what I have here, this eyebrow henna, which I ordered in from this website called Mina. I saw quite a number of very positive reviews online, and there are actually various other videos available on YouTube on how to use this. So what I did was I went to see how the ladies had actually applied this henna onto their eyebrow. I thought it is relatively easy given my art training. Okay, so the color I got here is ash blonde, and the other one here I got is medium brown. So we'll see. Why I got two instead of just one color is, firstly, I've never used this brand, so I'm not very sure of which color is suitable for me. And I was just thinking, you know, if it goes sideways, I can just mix these two. We'll see. Alright, so this is the one of the 3 sachet. This is the dropper, the spatula. You will use this for mixing, and this is the bottle to keep the leftover, and this is the little tiny bowl for you to mix your eyebrow henna. Okay, so what I've done here is to actually just cut off the corner of this inner foil. Okay, this was inside here. Alright, so I've only cut off the corner so that I can pour out more accurately. This is to minimize mess. Okay, this is a teacher syndrome, a mother syndrome, whatever you call it. I'm not sure how much is enough. Okay, but I think I'm just gonna pour out like a little bit like that. Okay, then pour out the rest, this one, into the leftover container. So you see, because I only have a small opening here, it is easier for me to aim into this tiny bottle and pour out the remainder. Ta-da! Okay, so put it inside here. See? No mess. Okay, I've already emptied the leftover into this bottle. I'm gonna screw it up. Then I'm gonna take the dropper, get some clean water, and drop it in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then I'm gonna use the bottom of the spatula to mix. Okay, from the videos I saw, you're supposed to be a little runny, not clumpy like this. So I'm gonna drop more water in. Yeah, so I think this is the perfect consistency. Can you see? Now, to prepare my eyebrow area for the henna, what I've done here is, what I'm gonna do here is to actually clean up my eyebrow with my toner. This is a fresh rose hydration facial toner. I've been using this for a couple of months. I actually like it a lot, so I'm just gonna use this to clean up the area. Hi, so this is my first time doing like this kind of video, so please excuse me. Yeah, it's a little awkward for me actually. So, right, I'm gonna clean up this area. Okay, and then I'm going to draw some guiding lines. Can you see? Yeah, I'm not very blessed when it comes to eyelashes and eyebrow. So what I'm going to do now is to use my white pencil by Essence. It's just, you know, those white pencils that you use to highlight the inner corners of your eye. So I'm just going to use these to draw an outline. I'm going to shape the brow. I'm not going to do any plucking for religious reasons. So I'm just going to use this to draw it out, but I don't think I'm comfortable juggling filming and drawing. But I will link down below a suitable video which I personally use and learn from on how to shape the eyebrow. Okay, so I'm gonna see you in a bit. Okay, I'm back. I have already shaped my eyebrow. I've drawn in with the white eyeliner. So Right here, I have two brushes which I normally use for filling in my eyebrow. This is a broader one, this is a thinner one, finer one. Okay, so I also have two cotton buds just in case I mess up, and I have my henna and a mirror to help me see nearer. Okay, I'm trying not to be too particular, okay, but I do want my lines to be straight. And then I also have to bear in mind, according to the videos I've seen, they mentioned that you want to start filling in from the corner of your eyebrow because you want this area to be darkest, and then you slowly proceed towards your nose bridge. And then after about 5 minutes, you want to wipe off this area nearer to the corner of your eyebrow here, because you want it to be a gradient from light to dark. Okay, what else? Oh my god, I'm trying to like go through the steps that I've learned from other videos. So okay, we're gonna try this, alright? I'm not gonna say anything because I do not want my hands and my body to shake. So just watch, okay? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, what I normally do when I'm painting is to paint the outline. So I guess I'm going to use the same system here. I'll follow the outlines first and then fill in. And you do not want to immediately just pile on the product onto your eyebrow. Okay, like I said, when I was filling in the outline, just took a bit of the product. And then you want to just like dab. You do not want to pull the product. Hey Siri, set timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes and counting.
I'm not going to apply any product here yet, okay, because I do not want to look like an angry bird. So after 10 minutes, I will pin this side. So now I'm going to work on my eyebrow on there. But no worries. When you have too much product on the tip of the brush, it's going to be blunt. Okay, so you will not be able to navigate the sharp corner there nicely. So do not have too much product on your brush. Okay, so I'll wait for 10 minutes to be over and then I'm gonna fill in the front part. Okay, so it has been 10 minutes. Now I'm going to paint in the henna to the area nearer to my nose bridge. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Set timer for 3 minutes. So
Okay.
this
3
area.
minutes and counting.
Thank you. So now I'm just gonna leave about 3 minutes for these two areas, and then we're gonna wipe it off. Okay? Okay. It is time to remove the henna. I don't know how I'm supposed to feel about this. I took my toner, the one that I showed earlier, as well as a clean cotton pad. Now I'm going to remove it, okay? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, so I have cleaned off the henna off my eyebrow. So I'm gonna let you take a closer look what it looks like. Right. Now I have a confession to make. Just now I actually applied the color ash blonde, right? But when I cleaned it off, it was so faint. I wasn't very happy with the result, and there's no point that I show it to you on camera because it's like almost nothing to see. And as I showed earlier, thankfully, Alhamdulillah, I actually was prepared for the worst, and I got the medium brown, right? So this that you can see, the result, which I'm very happy about, is using medium brown. Okay, so I have cleaned off everything. Now it is recommended that you apply some kind of facial oil after you clean off the product. So what I have here is 100% cold pressed virgin marula oil. I use the ordinary, so I will apply onto the brow. Okay, apparently it's supposed to make it last longer. Now on the eyebrow hair, it's supposed to last up to 6 weeks. However, on your skin, it's supposed to last about 7 days. But that too is very subjective. Some of us, our skin renewal rate is very fast. Some of us, our skin renewal rate is very slow. So it depends. And also, as I had learned earlier, if you are like me, someone who uses acids on your face, then you gotta avoid your eyebrow area because acid peels your skin. So that means you will lose the color pretty quickly, maybe faster than 7 days even. One tip, if you are doubting yourself or you're not sure about the choice of color, what you can do is do what I did here. I tested the color. Alright, according to the box, you should put it on about 20 minutes. So you leave it on your hand for 20 minutes. Or if you want something, some of us like myself, my hands are darker than my face. So what you can also do is to apply it maybe on your neck area, somewhere near. If you're wearing the hijab, somewhere that you can conceal. If you don't wear a hijab, maybe further back, nearer to where your hairline is. Then you test it out, see if the color is okay for you. Otherwise, if you're daring enough, it's only gonna last for 7 days, go for it. Alright, till my next video, thank you so much for watching. If you are not already part of my YouTube family, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much.